Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, January 14th, 2021. And today is the day before options expiration day. We have seen quiet action most of the session. We are holding above yesterday's closing prices, but the range has been pretty tight. We've got low volume, low range. It's kind of consolidation action in a lot of the instruments. Russell being the outlier, which has been quite a bit stronger than the other markets, but S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow all kind of consolidating around yesterday's closing prices, with S&P, Dow, and Russell all trading above yesterday's closing prices. But what I want to do this afternoon is look at what has happened historically when you are trading higher going into the last hour of trading ahead of options expiration day. So let's set that up. I'm going to go into Discover. We'll look at all four instruments. Currently, the NASDAQ's trading below yesterday's closing price, and we won't technically know where we're at until the time of the entry, but I'm going to select all four of them anyway, and the entry time that I'm going to use is a 3 p.m. entry time. It'll be set up as a long, and it'll exit at the close of regular trading hours, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Next, I'm going to go into the post-open filters section, and this is where I can put some price action around what is happening intraday. And in here, I'm going to say that the 3 p.m. price is above yesterday's closing price. So currently, that is true for 3 of the instruments. The NASDAQ's just a little below yesterday's closing price, and we're trading close enough to it right now that you will want to double check where it's at 3 p.m. So I don't know if we'll be above or below, but I'm assuming we're going to still be above the prior closing price since we are right now. And then next, I'm going to go into the indicator section, put us in a bullish market above a 10, above a 200-day simple moving average. And then lastly, I'm going to go to the market events section, and I'm going to select from the active today section that tomorrow is options expiration day. So I've got that selected. Now I can hit view results. And here we go. These are the results of going long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at the close, 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when on the day before options expiration day, you are trading above the prior session closing price at 3 p.m. This is taking place above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. So historically, we've got 70 samples for the S&P dating back to 2003. The NASDAQ has 64, the Dow 69, the Russell 57. And if we look at the win rate on these, they are all leaning to the long side here. So the win rate on the S&P is the weakest at 59%, the NASDAQ a little bit better at 64%, the Dow 62%, and the Russell 65%. So all four of these have had a little bit more of a lean to the long side into the close from that 3 p.m. price when this pattern is in play. And if we look at the average win to average loss, you can see average win just a little bit bigger there in the S&P than the average loss. Very similar in size for the NASDAQ, very similar in size for the Dow, and then the Russell average win a little bit larger than the average loss. So as a whole, this pattern looks like it has favored the long side a little bit more as we approach the close. So hopefully you found this helpful. Good luck today, and we'll see you next time.